Everyone, this is Nadia. I'm an occult specialist that uses spiritual intelligence to empower entrepreneurs into a healthy, empowered life story to live a balanced life. Today, I want to talk about how to use nonlinear thinking to be successful. So many times in life, we think that success is something, it has like a set understanding of it. Every time I seem to shoot a video, the wind goes nuts. So I'm just gonna try and stand in a place that I don't have to move too much. So the idea with success is that there is a set way of doing success, there is a set way of looking in success, there is a set way of how to walk, how to talk, how to act. This is what money looks like, this is what success looks like. And we all have a very good understanding innately of what it does and what it's not, especially with the media reinforcing it, with people, social media. I'm talking about media as in TV, radio, billboards, that type of like maybe even print media. But social media obviously has changed the game in a very good and bad way. Good way, you can connect with people that you may not have ever been able to connect with. Bad way, it's damaged people mentally, and it's continuing to psychologically damage people. So I want to talk about a situation that I experienced, and it was very interesting, and I wanted to share the results with you guys. So I did a ritual about a month ago, and what I asked, there was nothing specific I asked in the ritual apart from I'm evoked the spirit, and I said I really want you guys to help me find a way to save time. I wasn't specific. I didn't say time in my personal life, time in my business life, nothing. I just said surprise me. So that very night, I felt the real deep urge to go and look for a spa treatment. So I thought, okay, maybe they want me to rest more, relax more. I wasn't sure. So the first thing that popped into my head, because I evoked Payman, and Payman is obviously very grand, very luxurious. He loves luxury. So I just go to the Four Seasons Spa in Mayfair, and I was like, oh, okay, I'll go. I don't know what's there for me, but I'll go. The spa day itself was very nice. I enjoyed myself. There was like a really nice vitality pool. I hired the suite. I went out, basically. I looked after myself that day, very much treated myself, and I honored myself. And I was just thinking, and the whole way I tried to switch off my head, and I was like, I wonder how this is saving me time. Maybe it's like because I'm more well rested. So you know that when you try and logically understand rituals, you're never gonna get the answer. So once I was done, I went and showered, and I sat in front of the vanity, and there was obviously a hairdryer and a straightener, so I was busy using the hairdryer. And as I started to use the hairdryer, I thought, oh my god, I love this hairdryer. I need to get this hairdryer. Oh my goodness. And I did get the hairdryer, and I'll tell you guys a story about it. And I finished drying my hair, I straightened my hair, I went downstairs to the lobby, I ate, I came home. I had a very nice day. And immediately when I came home, I placed an order for that hairdryer. So I had a bit of a fiasco with the hairdryer. They mixed up my address. I had to go to like an off-license or convenience store to pick up my parcel. So I got my hairdryer, and I was very excited, and I've been using the hairdryer since. And the hairdryer on average is saving me at least about 30 to 40 minutes a day when it comes to my hair. Like, my hair is very, very thick. It's very wavy, curly, it's very thick. So straightening is a way of like keeping it almost like under control to a while, but sometimes you guys just see my hair all over the place. That's my natural hair. And I was finding that I was spending a lot of time on my hair when I was trying to get ready to go out to places. And this hairdryer shaved down my time by half an hour, meaning I could spend more time in bed. So, and everybody knows in the winter, that's like the best thing in the world. So what I want to say to you is that when you are after success is gonna look different to everybody. Success, you have an understanding of success that's different. Like, nobody is gonna be like, oh, you get the right hair dryer, you're gonna be successful. Well, guess what? My hair always looks good with that hair dryer. It has like specific features, it has specific things, and I was so excited when I got it. Like, you can't imagine someone's excited about a hair dryer, but here we are. And it's actually helped me feel like my hair is in better shape, the color stays in better shape. And that's a part of success to me. Now, that is what I consider very non-linear thinking. Non-linear thinking does not mean past, present, future. Non-linear thinking is like, it's going everywhere and then it brings you. It's not 1, 2, 3. It's the 9, 6, 1. Like, what? Why are we starting at 9, coming back at 6, going to 1, coming to 3? But there is a method to the madness. And what ritual work does is it shows you method to the madness. One of the most difficult things people find when I begin ritual work for them is to break them out of that linear mentality whereby it's ... It now has to be this, then this, then this. Yeah, they're planes. I'm just tired. Every time I do a video, there's a plane. So, yeah. It's always a plane. I don't know. I seem to pick like the most interesting times to do videos. But I want to really cover this energy of being non-linear. Success for me came from being non-linear. I'm not successful the way other people are successful. I don't think I have to look a certain way, be a certain way, act a certain way, think a certain way. I don't think like most people. And because I don't think like most people, and most people don't think like me, I have a very unique way of finding success, and the way I win success for people that come to me is very much allowing them to think very uniquely, or as I call it, having wisdom from strange angles. It's not gonna make sense. It's like, people always say think outside the box or whatever it is. It's like, but boxes are for warehouses, not humans. And people are like, oh, because it's always this set, predictable, sheep way of dealing with things. And when you break out of that, people think you're weird. Oh, you know, there are funny words that people use. Like, oh, you're such a maverick. No, they're all sheep. That's why they're using words like this. People who are true trendsetters, trailblazers, they have true rebellion. They don't need all these little buzzwords, these little sheep words. I'm an icon, I'm a maverick, I'm this, I'm that. They don't need all that stuff. They are just who they are. That's it. They don't need a word to define them. One of the most difficult things that I ever find in my life is to explain the concept of Spartanite to people, because Spartanite is not particularly a word. It's not like, oh, what is it? Yeah, in layman terms, it's self-empowerment, but it's also the discovery of the tenets of one's own self. It's discovery of the self that they keep away from you so that you are not strong and confident within yourself. But to really embody that into a word, like, oh, what do you do? Oh, yeah, I'm a doctor. Oh, yeah, I'm an engineer. Spartanite is not going to do that, because it's something that's revolutionary, and it's something that no one's ever seen or heard before. So how do you actually tag that? How do you label it? So I really had to grow in myself in order to do that. And one of the biggest things that I embody and not just teach is non-linear thinking. Time is not linear. This is the reason you can meet somebody and you're like, wow, I met you like 4 years ago, but oh, it feels like yesterday, because energetically it is yesterday. Maybe they're always in your energy field. Maybe you've thought of them so much. So on the pursuit to success, whatever success you want, your personal life, your business life, just remember, if I can go to a spa and find out that I can shave at least half an hour off my day getting ready just by picking up a new hairdryer, but I had to have the insight and the vision to see the hairdryer was the answer of what I asked for in the ritual. Please help me save time. Because nobody cares about money. Is just, it's ever flowing. It will come, it will go. Money has cycles, money has pools, there are rituals for it. Money is a very simple energy, but time is the hard one, because time is encapsulated and you're never gonna get back a period of your life. You can get back $10 million, you can never get back 10 minutes or even 1 minute of your time. So I want you to really think about the non-linear ways that you can incorporate success into your story and your journey. For one-to-one consultations, rituals, and elite mentoring, I'd love to hear from you. And I would also love to hear what are the really funny and fun ways and non-linear ways that you've been able to find success in your life. Take care.